Hello guys. Today I will be showcasing my skill in 1v1 LOL. If you watch my other video on 1v1 LOL, tell me if you like it or not. Like I said, on Twitch and TikTok and the other one are in the link in the description below on my other video that I made, so go check that out please. If you like those videos, you might like my TikTok things. And I go live on weekends because I have school during the week. So yeah, that's how we do it. So I go live on Twitch on the weekends. I make TikToks, so it's not really of me, but I will start up a TikTok for me sometime soon. But just started off with this, and I'm gonna be playing one Clash. I guess we're gonna be playing Showdown. If you don't know, Showdown is one of the most sweatiest things besides 1v1 Clash, and I have my reasons. I wish I could roll some clips of my Showdown from yesterday before I started live, before I started making my video. I was playing Showdown and getting warmed up, and I was playing Showdown and getting warmed up, and there were like these kids that were really good, not gonna lie. Claim the word on it, so this is bad. No, I'm not. Okay, that's good. Let me show y'all what I do when I get on this when I go up. Now, first of all, somebody's on my chest. I'll sneak behind them if they try to go like that. No, I told you. Like, I just got straight into the game. I knocked them, and then I immediately died. Sorry guys, I had to turn off my internet on that because, well, I don't really need that. That was cool. That was crazy. So that was kind of bad. Bad first game, not gonna lie. But that leg kind of went crazy. I got some water with me, if you don't know. And you can hear it, I think. Okay, I drank my water. From my water. No, my death spot is usually really good. But I think I'm gonna do it differently. Never mind, no, it's not. Sorry guys, I'm probably talking a lot. I'm dialed in right now. Plus, sometimes you gotta do that. I hate keyboards use that thing. That was so cool. I'm not gonna lie. He was a bot though, which made me kind of look bad because I was struggling to build. But it's that. It's that. I mean, I really don't want to do this, guys. Bruh. Just got home from school, so it's not long until I have football practice either, so this video might not go on for that long. My coach is gonna pick me up. Don't ask me why, don't ask why. Don't ask me why, don't ask why at all. Just know that he's gonna pick me up, and I'm gonna be leaving around like 4 something. Well, let's start this. Finally, a game that I actually enjoy. Hello? Sheesh. That's funny. Oh, I'm not building. Okay, hold on. Let me stop trying to hit these edits. Oh, it said let me stop, and I'm still doing them. Hello? He phased? He phased? Is it just me or not? He phased through the whole wall. Through the whole floor. Through the whole roof as well. Like, bro, phasing so hard. Bro, I need my sweats to be back in my lobby, honestly. Clicks. His name is Clicks. He's the big non. He's the big non. I don't want to say it, though. He's the big non-crapper. He's not a shooter. He's not even Clicks, probably. If he's Clicks, then he should be building pretty fast. This kid is not Clicks. Yo, bro, huh? So he said he was Clicks. Why are all these my builds? Because I went backwards. There he was. He's bad. He's actually so bad, bro. I'm sorry, I'm playing the camping game, but he's using that chain technique. So, it doesn't matter if I play the camping game. If he's close to me, he can pull me out instantly. I'm waiting for him to come out. But it looks like he's probably not. He left the game. it gave me the free win. Man, these servers are not taking long to get into. Sorry guys, had to take the time real quick to see what time it was. Let's open up this box. It's the mega box. It's the that's pretty cool. It still does that. Okay. So, how was your guys been today? How's your days been today? I'm trying to make small chat. That's all that is. I know I'm not live, but it's still trying to make small chat. Hope y'all day been good. Day's been good. Don't know why I'm stuttering. It's just stuttering, Bryson. Get over it. And yeah, by the way, my name is Bryson. But y'all can call me by BTM Bryson. Cause I'm in my own clan name. My clan name. So please call me by that. I'm struggling right now. Is that what that is? He tried to use that thing. Oh my god. Oh no, it gave me this glitch. Well, my screen's gonna be blue. So guys, it might not look like the best gameplay, but trust me, it probably is. She phased back through it. Dang. I'm gonna do that same thing that I did last time. No, I can't build right now. It wouldn't let me build. It wouldn't let me build. Yo, bro, that's weird. Yo, bro, huh? I don't want to know how she did that. It's like she instantly knew where I was. Like, I know it's easy to track in this game with, like, even with a controller. But still, like, dang. Like, she automatically knew it. Okay, that's not tracking, though. That's actually called gameplay. I wasn't tracking her. I just knew where she would pop up at. I know this map right at the back of my hand. That's why it's one of my favorites. She's being very annoying. Obviously, I know where she is. Yeah, maybe I don't.
Let me show you guys how to land like a pro.
Bro, get this
Remember,
out of my
timing your
face.
glider deployment is key. What?
Bye bye, guys. This is the end of the recording. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.